Mastering modal helping verbs in English. Hello everyone and welcome to another English learning video. Today, we'll dive into an exciting part of English grammar, modal helping verbs. These are special types of verbs that can completely change the meaning of a sentence. So, let's get started. Modal helping verbs, also known as modal auxiliaries, are a type of helping verb. They are used to express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. These verbs include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, and ought to. Modal helping verbs are unique in that they give additional information about the main verb in a sentence. Let's take a closer look at what they can express. 1. Ability. Modal helping verbs can be used to indicate ability or skill. For example, I can swim. The modal helping verb, can, shows the ability to swim. 2. Possibility. They can express something that's possible or likely. For example, it might rain later. The might suggests a possibility of rain. 3. Permission. They can be used to give or ask for permission. For example, you may leave the table. Here, may gives permission to leave the table. 4. Obligation or necessity. They can express obligation or necessity. For example, we must arrive on time. The must shows an obligation to arrive on time. Modal helping verbs have some special characteristics that set them apart from other verbs. 1. They never change form. This means they do not add an s in the third person singular. 2. They are always followed by the base form of the verb. 3. They do not require the auxiliary verb, do, in negatives or questions. Let's illustrate these with an example. Consider the sentence, he can swim. Here, can does not take an s, despite the third person singular, he. Also, it is followed by the base form of the verb, swim, and in a question, it would be, can he swim? Not, does he can swim? And that's a wrap on our quick guide to modal helping verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to use these in your daily English conversations. You'll find that they will soon come naturally to you. Thank you for watching and happy learning.